What's going on, everyone? Mario here with AutoDS, and in today's video I'm going to give you 7 different online businesses that you can start as a beginner. Now, most of these businesses I actually have tried for myself, so I know for a fact that you can actually make money with these. Now, I'm not saying you're going to become a millionaire overnight with any one of these different methods, but at the end of the day, it is a little bit of extra income, and honestly, who doesn't like a little bit of extra money, right? Whether it's an extra $100 a week or an extra 1,000, at the end of the day, it's a little bit of extra money, and that's why we're all here watching this video, right? Because we need some more money. Now, also, as a quick little bonus, I'm going to show you how much I've made using one of these particular methods. If you want to check that out, then just stay tuned all the way to the end. So let's go ahead and start counting down the top 7 online businesses that you can start as a beginner. Now, before we do get started with the countdown, I am going to mention that, as always, I have an easy to reference cheat sheet. On this cheat sheet, I'm going to have all of the different links that I'm going to be talking about, along with a little bit extra. If you want access to that, all you have to do is go ahead and comment down below, #MakeMoneyOnline, and let me know which one of these methods is your favorite. Are you going to try any of these? Which one? And when I see that you went ahead and commented, I'll go ahead and reply back with a link to the cheat sheet. Now, if you haven't done so already, as always, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. In this channel, we cover anything and everything dropshipping related, along with a few extra things. As you can see in this video, we're covering the top 7 businesses that you can start as a beginner. Every once in a while, we're going to have a few extra ways for you to be able to make some extra money. So if that interests you, just make sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now, to kick off this list, the first business that we're going to talk about is print on demand. Now, print on demand is a fantastic option for pretty much anybody because it allows you to get creative and create your own merchandise. So you can use print on demand to print your own t-shirts, your own hoodies, mouse pads, cups, mugs, and even shower curtains. I'm telling you, the possibilities with print on demand are unlimited. You can make just about anything. Now, there's tons of different print on demand companies out there, but the 2 most popular have to be Printify as well as Printful. Each one has their own pros and cons, but at the end of the day, they both work fairly similarly and they both have great quality products. Now, the way that print on demand works is fairly simple. So to start, you need to choose obviously between Printify or Printful, or whichever print on demand supplier that you choose to go with. Then you also need to figure out where you're going to be selling. So are you going to be selling on your own website such as Shopify, or are you going to be selling on a marketplace like Etsy or eBay? For the most part, the most popular places for print on demand are going to be Shopify or Etsy. After you've chosen the platform that you're going to sell on, then the next step is going to be to connect your platform along with your account on either Printify or Printful. Now, aside from that, you need to sign up with Printify or Printful, and then you just need to start designing and creating your products. So right now we're looking at Printify, and here's a quick overview for you to just get a feel of it and see how it is. So to start, you need to go to your catalog and choose one of the different types of products that you want to customize. In this case, let's go ahead and do something easy and just go with t-shirts. Once you get t-shirts, you're going to have all of these different options. Once you click on the product, you're going to have a few different options to choose from. And from here, you just select whichever one is best for your budget or which one you prefer. So let's just go with the basic one right here, a unisex jersey short sleeve tee. Then all you have to do is choose one of these different printing providers. As you can see, they vary in prices as well as selections for colors and sizes. After that, all you have to do is click on start designing, and you can either upload your artwork or you can customize it directly on the website. Second up on this list is going to be starting your own t-shirt brand. And for this, we're actually going to be using print on demand. Now, I know that I just covered print on demand, but a print on demand business is going to be different than when you start your own brand. When you start a print on demand business, you're going to be offering a little bit of everything. So you can offer many of the different products that I mentioned, but when you're starting your own t-shirt brand, then you're only going to be offering t-shirts as well as potentially hoodies. Now, when you start your own t-shirt brand, you are going to be a lot more niched. Since you're going to be selling specifically t-shirts and hoodies, then you're going to have a few different options that you can go with. So for one, you can start a brand that revolves around a particular topic. You can go ahead and start something that represents skateboarding, maybe hustling and making money, or anime. Then you have the other option, which is the more generic type of t-shirt. These are the ones that you see a lot on Etsy. So going this route, you can offer things like birthday shirts, holiday shirts, generic graphic t-shirts, customizable shirts, and the options are practically endless. Third up on our list is going to be dropshipping. Now, what exactly is dropshipping? Well, dropshipping, simply put, is a fulfillment model where you don't have to touch any inventory. Whenever somebody places an order on your store, the order will be rerouted either by you or automatically by whatever software you're using. It will be automatically rerouted to your supplier, and then your supplier is going to go ahead and take care of all of the shipping and handling. They're going to go ahead and prepare the item for shipment, send it out, update your customer with the tracking, and you really don't have to do much. All you have to do is kick back and collect the profits. Now, when it comes to dropshipping, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. For one, you need to always make sure that you have some best selling and winning products. Now, how do you find best sellers? Well, there's a few different ways. For one, you can check out your suppliers and look through their best sellers or look at their product recommendations. Another option is AliExpress. Check out their dropship center. On here, you can see all of the different items that have been currently selling and have sold in the past. As you can see, they have a star rating as well as how many units have actually been sold. Another option that you have is this YouTube channel. We have a Sell These Now playlist that has some of the best products that you can start dropshipping. Aside from that, similar to print on demand, you then need to choose where you're going to be selling. So are you going to be selling on your own website, such as Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce? Or are you going to be selling on a marketplace like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace? If you want more information on dropshipping and how you can get started, then you can go ahead and check out this video right here. And if you want the link to it, the link will also be in the cheat sheet. In my opinion, one of the best things about dropshipping is the fact that you can scale it to some pretty high levels. There are people making hundreds of dollars dropshipping, and then there's also people making millions of dollars dropshipping. If you do it right, if you do the right product research and you advertise your products correctly, then you can really find success in dropshipping. Now, remember how I told you earlier that I was going to show you how much I've made in a few of these different methods? Well, check this out. So this is my Etsy account, and this is currently how much I've made for this month. Now, most of the products that I have on my Etsy store are actually dropshipped products. On top of that, I have a couple of print on demand products, but the main products that have been selling have been my dropshipped products. And trust me when I say that the products that have been selling the most on my store have actually been the ones that you see me talk about in our Sell These Now playlist. Coming in at number 4 on this list is going to be starting an online jewelry business. Now, that sounds a lot more complicated than it really is. Where can you source jewelry from? You can source it from pretty much anywhere. You have suppliers like AliExpress where you can source different types of jewelry, different types of rings, different types of watches, or you can check out CJ Dropshipping, which also has an endless variety of jewelry. So as you can see here, they have tons of different elegant and gold chains. Starting your own jewelry business can be extremely lucrative. Pretty much anybody and everybody loves receiving or giving jewelry. It's actually one of the more popular gifts year round. You can get jewelry for your birthday, for Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, pretty much any time of the year. You can even give or receive jewelry for special occasions such as weddings, the birth of a child, or marriage. Now, one of the easiest ways to be able to start your own jewelry business is actually going to be using the dropshipping business model. So in this case, what you would do is when you're dropshipping, you would niche down specifically to jewelry. If you want more information on how you can start your own online jewelry business, then you can check out this video right here, and that explains to you everything that you need to know along with some of the best products to sell. Again, you can check out the cheat sheet and the link to it will be there. Next up on this list, coming in at number 5, we have starting your own crafting supply business. There is a huge demand for DIY. Everyone loves do-it-yourself projects, and a lot of people are actually starting their own businesses with DIY. So what types of products can you sell? Well, pretty much anything. You can sell anything from blank t-shirts to blank pieces of wood that people can cut themselves, paint, and sell. So just looking through AliExpress for crafting supplies, you can find quite a few different options. So for one, you have wax seals. So those are those seals that you see on envelopes like in Harry Potter that has the H for Hogwarts. Those are pretty cool. But here you can actually customize them yourself. So you can have the option to do different letters, different designs, or whatever it may be. On top of that, you have different tools for something like vinyl, or you also have baby craft toys. So as you can see here, the possibilities for the types of items that you can offer are practically endless. Anything that you can think of, there is a way to do it yourself. And as you can see, this is also very dropship friendly. So I'm actually thinking of adding one of these to my Etsy store. So give me one quick second here. I really liked the wax seal stamp set. So let me just quickly add that to my store. And for this, I'm actually going to be using AutoDS. So here, all I have to do is click on add product. I'm only adding one product, so I just have to do single. I'm going to paste it on there, and I'm just going to do a quick edit. Okay, so now I have it on my draft section over at AutoDS. Now I'm just going to quickly delete a few of these keywords, just these right here. So wax seal stamp set, lacquered, wax seal stamp set, stamp sealing wax kit, DIY craft supplies, scrapbooking. Yeah, let's take that off. All right, so I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and I'll just continue editing later because I gotta get on with this video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save it, and I'll get back to this later. Next up on this list is affiliate marketing. Now, I know whenever I talk about affiliate marketing, a lot of people think, but there's no money in affiliate marketing, or it's really hard to get started, or you need a huge audience to be able to start making money with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm here to tell you that that's completely not true. Affiliate marketing is actually one of the easiest businesses that you can start, and this is exactly how you can do so. So for one, you need to go to ShareSale. Once you're on there, you need to go ahead and sign up as an affiliate. So click on affiliate sign up. Once you're logged in, just go ahead and hover over merchants and then click on search for merchants. Now, once you're here on the side, you're going to have a ton of different categories. Look for a category that you know about. Look for something that you specialize in or that you have a good amount of knowledge in. As you can see, it's actually really simple to get started becoming an affiliate with some of these different companies. So really all you have to do is once you find a company that you want to work with, you just click on join program. You might have to answer a question or two and then they're going to approve you or deny you. More than likely though, they're going to approve you. But just in case you do get denied, don't worry about it. Just go ahead and click on the next company and apply there. Now, after you become an affiliate with a company, you're going to get your own personalized links. Those links, whenever somebody clicks on them, it'll install a little cookie on their computer, which will track their sales. Meaning after that customer makes a purchase, you're going to get a commission for it because they clicked on your link. Now, how can you start advertising those links? For that, there's a few different ways. For one, you can start creating content. So you can go ahead and create YouTube videos. You can either explain certain things or you can show off a product and then have the link in the description. You can do the same thing for TikTok, or you can simply create a blog. If you don't like getting in front of the camera and you're pretty good at writing, then just go ahead and start writing blogs. On those blogs, you can cover a variety of things. You can cover the product itself, or you can cover something that the product would be good for. So for example, you can write a blog on back pain, and in between that blog, maybe somewhere in the middle, you can go ahead and talk about a particular product that can help with it. Let's say something like a back cracker. Just put your link in that blog, and then when somebody clicks on that link, then you can potentially get a commission if they make a purchase. Now, last but certainly not least, coming in at number 7 for our top businesses to start as a beginner is content creation. Now, this is actually personally one of my favorites because I like making videos. Now, there's a few different ways you can start to monetize your videos. For one, you can start making things like tutorials or how-to videos. Another thing that you can do are product review videos. There's a ton of different types of videos that you can make. Just make sure you choose something that you're knowledgeable about, something that you care about, and something that you actually enjoy doing, something that you enjoy covering as well. Me personally, I enjoy talking about dropshipping, so that's why you see me here. Now, when it comes to the actual monetization part, there's a few different options for you. Now, if you're working primarily on YouTube, one way you can get monetized on there is by joining the YouTube partnership program. Typically, to get your videos monetized, you're going to need 4,000 watch hours in 1 year and 1,000 subscribers. After that, your videos can be eligible to be monetized. So what happens in this case is an ad will run either at the beginning, in the middle, or the end, or all three spaces. And for each time that those ads run, you're going to get paid. Now, another option that you have is doing the same thing, except short form. So you can go on something like Instagram Reels or a more popular platform, TikTok. Now, as you start gaining an audience on TikTok or Instagram Reels, or even on YouTube, then your chances to be seen by particular companies will increase. After you start getting some good engagement on your videos, after you get a good amount of followers or subscribers, certain companies can reach out to you and offer you some sort of partnership deal. They can either pay you to make one video, or you can get in a contract with them for a set amount of videos for a set amount of money. Now, of course, this is not something that's going to happen overnight. This is something that's going to take some time and it's going to take some work. But at the end of the day, it's worth it because there is some good money in content creation. Just remember that when you first start, it's going to be really hard, especially if you're covering a niche that a lot of other people are covering. So you're going to have to find different ways to be able to stand out and grab people's attention. One of the most important things I want you all to remember is keep going. Regardless if it's content creation or any of the other businesses mentioned in this video, keep going. A lot of the times, especially when you start, it's going to be really hard. Let's say when you start making videos, you're probably not going to be getting any views. Some of your videos might literally get less than 10 views after a month or two. And that's okay. As you keep going, you're going to get better and you're going to learn what works and what doesn't. You're going to learn how to do things your own way in a way that works. Remember, if something's not working, if something's just completely flat, let's say a video is not getting any traction, it's not getting any views, or one of your products on one of your stores isn't getting any views or any sales, then make necessary adjustments and replace it. At the end of the day, you need to look at what you're doing from the eyes of somebody else, or from the eyes of a viewer, or from the eyes of a customer. Be true to yourself and think, will I purchase that? Will I actually make this purchase seeing the website the way it is? Or is this video entertaining or informative enough for me to actually watch the entire thing? Be real with yourself and be critical of yourself, but not overly critical. You need to find a healthy balance between the two and go on from there. Huge thank you to everyone for watching today. Remember that if you want access to the cheat sheet, all you have to do is comment down below, #MakeMoneyOnline, along with your favorite method from this list. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. Let me know which one you want to try or which one really caught your attention. Let me know down in the comments below, and when I see that you commented, I'll go ahead and reply back with a link to the cheat sheet. Huge thank you to all of you for watching, especially all the way to the end. As always, it truly does mean a lot. Once again, my name is Mario with AutoDS, and catch y'all next time.